Hey, have you seen that viral prank about someone applying to be OpenAI's CEO?
Yeah, I saw it. The one where Umur Ostak posted this ridiculous LinkedIn application? That blew up so fast.
Exactly. He started with this outlandish set of demands, like replacing the entire OpenAI board with ChatGPT agents and buying Google just for the brand name. Pretty wild, right?
Wild is an understatement. And then he claimed he should get 50% of OpenAI as his payment for his revolutionary leadership. The audacity!
Right? And what's funny is, he even posted a mock rejection letter from OpenAI. The letter called his ideas apocalyptic and disruptive, but in a really tongue-in-cheek way.
That rejection letter was gold. People even started guessing that it was written by AI itself. Definitely added a whole meta layer of humor.
It's incredible how it blew up. People were joking about how maybe Omer could be the CEO of Gemini, or giving him advice like, should have asked for 40% instead of 50%.
Ha ha, some were even debating whether his ideas were actually visionary. There's this whole trend where people are poking fun at the tech industry's sometimes absurd ambitions. It's all a clever satire.
For sure. It's a perfect reflection of how AI and tech leadership are viewed today, open to parody and humor. It's like, if you're not being memed, are you even a big player in the tech world?
Exactly. The prank not only mocks the world of AI, but also shows how tech humor has seeped into everyday culture. We're all talking about this stuff now, even in a comedic light.
And this whole episode really shows how the lines are blurring between AI, tech news, and meme culture. It's not just about innovation anymore. It's about how you engage with people on the internet.
Totally. Umer's prank was a perfect example of that. A mix of bold tech ideas, corporate drama, and just the right amount of absurd humor.
And who knows? Maybe next time we'll see someone applying to be the CEO of Tesla or Twitter with equally outrageous demands. The bar has definitely been set.
Who's going to top this? Guess we'll have to wait and see.